Salut et bienvenue à tous à la dernière audition de Miss Congo SA 2013. C'est aujourd'hui ou jamais que les filles doivent saisir la dernière chance d'accéder à ce prestigieux et grand concours de beauté. Nous sommes à Johannesburg et tout va se jouer ici même à l'hôtel chez In de Melrose. Je suis Huguette Kay et vous suivez Miss Congo SA 2013.
Debout, debout, danser, danser.
C'est depuis le 7 août de l'année en cours que les auditions de la deuxième édition de Miss Congo SA ont débuté. Et à la fin de celle d'aujourd'hui, le wagon sera officiellement fermé. Les auditions laisseront donc place à la série des éliminatoires.
Debout, debout, danser, danser, Africa music.
L'énergie est électrique. Je peux déjà vous dire, sans risquer de me tromper, que la compétition d'aujourd'hui sera très chaude. Car la pression est énorme et toutes les filles ici présentes sont déterminées à s'arracher le peu de place encore disponible. Mais avant de continuer, j'aimerais d'abord lancer une bouée de rattrapage à tous ceux qui n'ont pas eu l'occasion de suivre l'audition de Cape Town. Pour ce faire, je vous invite donc à revivre les temps forts de Cape Town. Salut tout le monde et bienvenue à Cape Town!
Après être élue comme Miss Congo de l'Afrique du Sud, qu'est-ce que tu comptes faire?
Bon, je peux aider même les orphelins.
She doesn't have to teach you to represent the country.
We'll see in future, but for today, I was impressed.
I think she doesn't want it.
Je m'appelle Jessica Yedou, j'ai 22 ans. J'ai aimé l'attitude des jurys.
Can you tell me more about yourself? Ils ont nalingaka modéliste pour nasapi modéliste na créaka. Lo na ngai na ko créer lamba, na ko créer suki. Nazala pe comparable. Nazala unique. Nazala lo morceau na lati. To suki na sali, faut vraiment pas féliciter ngai.
She has that African thing to her. She really looks like it speaks like Congolese women, I should say. But I don't really know, like I had a problem judging her.
For the moment, I'm a little confused.
This girl made me sad. You know?
I heard nothing about modeling.
My name is Marinette. It went well. I was a bit nervous and started crying. I don't know why.
Nasepela pelo bipenga pela samsala na ndenge na mona bato suba beta masolo ke na South Africa man keza bien. You said these parts already.
Approach, approach.
Let's jump for
I like galloping. Did you see
Je m'appelle Gertrude Mbangu et j'ai 19 ans. J'avais un peu peur, mais les jeux ont été trop cool.
Why should we make you a finalist? Why should we choose you amongst all other girls?
Because I know I'm a model already. I can model, and I would like to represent my country as a Miss Congo.
She can walk, she can speak English. Out of that, I didn't see anything.
I think we can work with that.
No, I really don't know. You can do your research just by entering this training.
Salut et bienvenue à tous au dernier segment de cette audition.
Right now, I'm going to call upon the names of the girls that made it.
L'audition d'aujourd'hui, ça a été vraiment intéressant, différent de toutes les autres auditions qu'on a eues.
We picked 2 girls, and I must say these was the best 2 from the bunch that we had today.
Miss Congo SA.
I like.
I love. J'aime.
Like.
True Congolese beauty inside and outside.
D'ici là, portez-vous bien et à la prochaine. Bye bye. La grande question est de savoir qui seront les dernières candidates à rejoindre la grande famille de présélectionnés. Cette décision revient au jury et comme d'habitude, un jury est constitué à chaque audition. Je vous présente donc celui du jour.
Je suis Alemi Chomukendi Kakese. Je suis bien entendu congolais du Kasaï oriental.
Hi, my name is Geoffrey Chitundu. I'm the chairman of Miss Congo South Africa.
Je m'attardais beaucoup plus sur la communication et la confidence.
Je m'appelle Julie Londo, je suis journaliste et je suis congolaise.
Today, really, what I'm looking for is confidence, someone who's well articulated.
Moi, c'est Finette Beya, je suis couturière modéliste.
Je travaille comme shift manager à RTM, qui est un call center de la place.
Je voudrais savoir si la candidate pourra être en mesure de défendre la culture congolaise et connaît très bien son pays.
Moi, c'est Paco Ilondo, de nationalité congolaise.
I'm a computer scientist by profession.
Nous espérons trouver une ambassadrice pour promouvoir la culture congolaise.
Et aujourd'hui, je propose aux filles les tenues congolaises.
Pour voir si elles seront en mesure de pouvoir communiquer et bien entendu prendre des initiatives.
Je suis programmeur de profession.
And more importantly, who has ambitions about where she wants to take herself, but more importantly, the brand of Miss Congo South Africa.
Le virage se rétrécit davantage, nous passons maintenant à la vitesse supérieure. Aujourd'hui, les filles sont à vous couper le souffle. Elles sont toutes splendides. Mais la beauté extérieure à elle seule ne vous garantit pas une place dans la compétition. Rajoutez-y de l'intelligence, de la compassion et bien d'autres vertus. Alors là, vous avez le package complet pour vous faire embarquer. Nombreuses l'ont compris et durant leurs entretiens avec les membres du jury, elles ont essayé de le démontrer. Je vous invite donc à suivre quelques extraits de leurs interviews.
What does Miss Congo mean to you? Why did you enter Miss Congo and why would you want to go far in Miss Congo? What's your reason? What's your motives?
To represent my country, to be an example of my country, like here in South Africa.
I can see that she wants this. I can see that she really wants it. I think it was just not this year. She was come back next year. I think she was one of us. I don't want her to go there and then just be intimidated by the other girls.
It was easier from the first interview because I was more relaxed and I knew about what I was talking about. You know, I knew what I was saying, and you know, I just had it. Yes.
Ouais, c'est ma première fois de participer à une compétition. Oh, je participe parce que je veux savoir comment ça se passe dans des compétitions et puis avoir cette expérience.
What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue. I'm a Mubindi.
Great. From?
Kasai Occidental. Territoire de Mbelenge.
J'aurais plutôt tendance à dire que c'est la perfection. Donc, ouais, je vais avoir passé.
Yeah, she's very school. I like her. She's well articulated and performed as well at the same time. She knows how to bring different emotions.
She's just a character. Her whole face talks when she talks. She's got so much facial expressions. She's intellectual. She's tall. She's beautiful.
This time, I didn't use the word that I used the last time. It was very informal. I kept saying bra. I didn't use it this time.
Well, I'm excited. I'm panicking. I'm scared. I'm in tears, but anyway.
Well, it was good. It was not hard, not easy. Yeah, it was fine like that.
Tell me, where are you from?
I am a born South African, but originally Congolese by nationality.
So you feel more South African than Congolese?
No. Actually, I consider myself in between because I believe that there's a new breed of children who are now coming into this generation of like what you are rooted in Congo, but then you're born in a certain country. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you are either or. It's up to you to decide what you are. But I choose to be Congolese because I believe that that's where my roots are. Hence, I'm here entering Miss SA Congo because I want to represent Congo.
She sounds very confident. No matter what question that the judges threw at her, she was giving it her 100%. So I really think she'll go very far in the competition.
That's what we need physically. I like your appearance. I think that it's good. And there's definitely also room for improvement. I love the way that she's composed, so she did really well.
I'll leave it in the hands of the judges, but I'm quite confident this time around. I knew I wasn't going to make it the last time because of my lack of knowledge. And this time, I'm a bit more confident, yes.
Ça s'est bien déroulé. C'était très bien, j'ai aimé. Je me suis pas mal débrouillée au fait. Ben, le jury était très bien. C'est le monsieur au fond. Il est un peu clair, il est de l'autre côté. Ben, il me pose des questions, je peux dire. Il me demande si j'avais la guerre à l'Est, qu'est-ce que je ferais? Je suis pas présidente, je suis pas au gouvernement. Et il me demande si un jour, et que j'étais au gouvernement, qu'est-ce que je veux faire? C'est une question un peu embarrassante, tu vois. Ben, j'ai quand même essayé de me défendre, j'ai quand même donné mon avis. C'est tout.
Je m'appelle Roselyne Kapalay. Ça s'est bien passé, malgré que j'étais un peu dur. Mais je suis sûre que je me suis bien débrouillée.
What do you know about Congo?
I don't know much, but I know a little bit. Yeah, I know that Congo is a big country. That's got 11 provinces. And then 4 languages, 4 official languages. And it's the 3rd country in Africa. And then the River Congo is the first river in the world.
I think of all the girls, she's probably knows the most about Congo. I think with time, maybe not for this year, but maybe next year, with time she can be a potential Miss Congo SA. She just needs a bit of, she needs a lot of grooming in terms of her voice, her confidence.
What makes me a Congolese? My food. I know the varieties of food. I just, it's not about knowing if you're Congolese or not. It's just inside of you.
Okay, I think I can make it. I will make it. Not I can, I will make it.
Normalement, sans mentir,
Il y a une question que j'ai pas très bien répondu sur la guerre à l'Est. Là, c'est vrai. Si on devait coter vraiment sur 10, je crois que si c'était sur 10, je crois que j'ai peut-être 8 sur 10.
Well, I think I went wrong way. The judge asked me about where in Kasai I'm from.
You're meeting the Congolese ambassador. You've got 1 minute. What would you ask or say to him? Yeah, you have 1 minute. No. She's the Miss Congo SA ambassador for the Congolese community. But now we're talking about the father of the nation in South Africa. You're meeting him. He's like our president in South Africa. You're meeting him. You've got 1 minute. What would you discuss or say to him?
I'll ask him basically. So far, the deputies, the people in command have failed. Like they haven't failed. They're not presenting much of solutions to fix Congo. So I'm going to ask him, what does he do specifically to help improve Congo, or what will he do to help improve Congo?
I think just her personality itself would intimidate the other girls and show them that this is who you should look up to.
Si vous allez travailler avec elle, il faut lui montrer c'est quoi la force du représentant. Là, elle est là. Elle doit savoir qu'on peut tomber. Si elle n'apprend pas qu'on peut tomber, elle se fera.
I don't think that she's full of herself personally. I think that she's confident, she knows her story, she knows where she stands. I like her.
I think that is so easy. I can even brag about it all that I would be Congo, of course. Why? Everyone wants to be like me. They copy all my dance moves. They want to dress like me. They want my jewelry. They just want everything, like my beauty, what I possess, what I inherit. And it's beautiful. Like, I think about that question all the time. I'm like, you know what? If I were a country, I'd definitely become. I mean, I'm not saying it because of the pageants or because of what happened the last time. It's just, self-evaluation. After everything, you just think, wow, I'm from a beautiful place.
Là, vous venez de là, c'était pas assez mal. Alors, donnez-vous une note, s'il vous plaît.
8 sur 10.
Wow!
My favorite one, I actually don't know the name, but it's the one who's by the beginning, is wearing a white shirt.
I can't believe I'm crying. I don't cry. I'm usually bubbly. Even though I don't succeed, I still have that confidence. I know, you know what, I'm gonna make it.
Faith, which community do you think has embraced you? The South African community or the Congolese community? Where do you fit? Where do you think you fit in best?
Where do I fit in best?
Yeah.
For me, it's at the moment.
Yeah.
Where do I fit in?
Yeah.
When I'm with South Africans, I'm a South African. When I'm with Congolese people, I'm Congolese.
Who are you?
I'm 50.
So you're telling me that I could actually see you next year March taking part in Miss SA? You cannot serve two masters.
Yeah.
You can love one and hate the other. You need to go back and learn about your roots. Miss Congo SA, I think it's a bit of a high platform for you right now. So you're still young, you're 18. Go do your homework. You cannot call yourself a Congolese ambassador and you know nothing, because I don't think you said anything that is consistent. Judges, you're more than open, welcome to defend her, but I don't think that she said anything that would make me feel that she knows anything about the country. Except maybe your surname, that's the only thing that's, I would say, yeah, it sounds Congolese. But I've heard some South African people with a very interesting surname that almost sounds Congolese. So that's a real problem that I have. So on my side, I really think that you need to do your homework, study a lot about the country. Because to be an ambassador, to be at Miss Congo, you need to embrace your country, embrace who you are, irrespective of where you live. There's no way that we can take you around and you do this. It's gonna make us look bad. We're gonna run out of business, they'll shut us down because we're insulting our community. And we can't do that. And take this as a constructive criticism, do you understand? Not destructive.
Les beaux Congolais, ils n'y parlaient pas, ils n'y parlaient d'indépendance. Aussi, c'est que Afrique. Malu Pagamisu, Pondolayo. I even forgot the national anthem. Hey, I think I'm tired.
Voilà, si vous ne vous étiez pas présenté à cette audition, j'ai bien peur que c'est trop tard, car cela n'est plus possible. Et si vous n'êtes pas sélectionné tout à l'heure, pendant les résultats, eh bien c'est terminé pour vous. Ceci était la dernière audition, nous passons à la phase de knockout. Voilà, le jury a délibéré, les résultats sont prêts et d'un moment à l'autre, nous allons découvrir quelles sont les filles qui ont su au mieux séduire et convaincre les membres du jury d'aujourd'hui. Pour annoncer donc les résultats, je vais inviter sur le plateau la précieuse et très chère Miss Congo SA 2012. Je vous prie donc d'applaudir pour la prestigieuse Edith Culture.
Good evening, ladies. I want to thank you all for coming. As you know very well, this is our last audition and your presence was very important to us. So, as I call your name, please come forward and we'll pause for a picture. And the last girl is
des auditions organisées à Val, à UJ, à Rosenthal-Ville, à Pretoria, à Yeovil, à Cape Town et pour finir à Melrose, 32 jeunes, belles et intelligentes Congolaises ont été présélectionnées. Alors coup de chapeau à vous les filles, vous venez là de franchir la première étape. Mais la course vers la couronne ne fait que commencer. Cramponnez-vous car maintenant nous passons à la vitesse supérieure. À vous tous qui me suivez, rendez-vous le 19 octobre, ici même à l'hôtel chez In de Melrose pour le Knockout Phase. Le Knockout Phase, c'est-à-dire que de 32 filles qui ont été sélectionnées, seulement 18 seront retenues et pourront poursuivre la compétition. Alors ne manquez pas, venez nombreux y prendre part. Je suis Huguette Gay et vous servir, c'est mon plaisir. D'ici là, portez-vous tous bien. God bless you all and ciao!